Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Eytlptoc Smart Watch. First, ensure your watch has at least an 80% charge. This prevents interruption during the setup process. Power on your watch by holding the side button for approximately 3 seconds until the screen illuminates. Make sure your smartphone is fully charged and within a close proximity, ideally within 2 feet, for the best connection. Next, you will need to download the official companion application. Open your smartphone's App Store, whether it is the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Eytlptoc Connect and look for the specific developer name to ensure you are downloading the correct, verified application. Once found, download and install the app, then open it and complete the simple registration steps. Now, let us pair your watch using Bluetooth. Navigate to your smartphone's settings and turn on the Bluetooth function, making sure it is discoverable. Open the Eytlptoc Connect app and tap on the Add Device or Pair New Device option, typically found on the home screen. Your watch should appear in the list of available devices. Simply tap on its name to initiate the pairing process. Once you tap your watch's name, a pairing request will appear on both your smartphone and the smartwatch. Confirm this request on both devices to finalize the connection. The app will then begin its initial data synchronization, which may take up to 2 minutes to complete. After syncing, you can explore the app to customize watch faces, set notification preferences, and adjust other personal settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.